Well, this audit went off the rails in record time.
But don't video me. Don't video me. Please don't.
Well, it's too late for that now.
Well, you need to take that off there, because if you put me on there and I see it anyway, I'm gonna sue you.
Hey, don't you touch me. Don't you touch me.
Don't record me.
Yo, don't get violent. Yo,
Don't get violent.
Yo, don't get violent, bro.
Don't record me. Listen, I'm telling you.
Relax. Relax.
I'm telling you.
Relax. Don't touch me. You guys are insulting me.
I'm not assaulting you.
You guys are insulting me.
You're gonna take it outside.
Okay.
Who assaulted you?
Excuse me.
Yo, hey, watch yourself.
You're gonna take it outside. You're gonna take it
No,
outside.
leave me alone.
Of the Department of Human Service, you cannot record here.
You gonna keep
If
recording
you
me?
broke my property,
I don't
I'll
care.
make sure.
I told you already. Don't record me.
All right, before we get into this crazy video, the comment for the day comes from Top Rock 2409. He says, cops don't become psychos, psychos become cops. If you think about it, this is logically consistent. Unfortunately, in life, people who should have power don't want it, and the people who have power shouldn't have it. Nearly all men can withstand adversity, but if you really want to test a man's character, give him power. It's said, and I've said it many times, that power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolutely. Maybe we should start saying absolute power doesn't necessarily corrupt. Instead, absolute power attracts the absolutely corruptible. So let's get into this video where Auditing America is auditing the Pawtucket, Rhode Island Probation Department.
Can I help you with something, sir?
We're fine, thanks.
No, well, you're in our office, so how can we help you?
What are you offering?
What are you doing here? Why are you
This is a public lobby, right?
It's probation. Are you on probation?
Are you on probation?
No, I'm not. I'm a probation officer. This is a probation office, so.
Okay, good for you.
What are you doing here?
I'm taking pictures. Isn't it obvious?
No, but why are you taking pictures?
Because this is a public place and you don't tell me what to
It's really
do.
not an answer. Why are you taking pictures?
Well, I don't have to answer anything to you.
Okay, you can talk to my supervisor instead.
Can I help you?
I'm all set.
No, we're good.
Oh, okay. So, why are you guys here? Do you have business in this office?
We do.
Are you on probation?
Are you on probation?
I am not on probation. Okay. So, I'm gonna ask you to leave the office. Okay? Are
now-
you willing to comply with that?
Now that's a personal request.
Yes, I'm asking you to leave the office.
That's a personal request. We're in public. You don't tell us what to do. Are you guys city employees?
I'm asking you to leave the office.
Do you work for the
won't-
city of Pawtucket?
No, I don't.
Who do you work for?
I work for the state of Rhode Island.
Oh, well, that even better.
That is the city of Pawtucket.
Even better.
So, can we,
Even
just make
better.
a phone call to the police department? Do we have unwelcome or unwanted guests?
Listen, dude, let me tell you something. This is a public place. Learn your job, okay?
I'm asking you to leave.
That's a
If you're
personal.
unwilling to do that,
That's a personal
so now-
request. We're
and I-
taking
and I don't know.
pictures, and you don't have to know anything.
And I don't know why you're even surveilling or even taking pictures.
Surveilling?
Yeah.
I'm from the probation office.
Okay.
Well, how about because
You're gonna learn the rules
Constitutional
today, my
rights.
friend.
Oh,
What's your name?
my name is Mark Moody.
Moody.
Moody, yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
We're gonna have the police escort you off the property.
Let's see how that goes.
Now, here's where it goes from 0 to crazy and everybody starts losing their shit.
You can't do that.
So we can't do what?
You can't video it here.
We can't video in here?
No.
Who says?
I'm telling you, you can't.
Who says that?
I'm telling you. This is for. You can't do it. Put
Why?
it down.
Why?
Because I'm just telling you, you can't.
But
Don't
can-
video me. Don't video me. Please don't.
Well,
Is it
well,
because
it's
you-
too late for that now.
Well, you need to take that off there, because if you put me on there and I see it anyway, I'm gonna sue you.
Oh, okay.
Trust me.
Yo, are you guys?
You can't do that.
recording
Take
us?
that outside.
Yes, we are.
You gotta take it outside.
Who?
You
Yo,
gotta take
Hey,
it
hey, don't you
Yo.
touch me.
Yo,
Don't you
yo,
touch
don't-
me.
don't record
Yo,
me.
don't
Don't
get
record me.
don't get
Don't
violent.
record me.
Yo,
Don't record me.
don't get
Don't
violent.
record me.
Yo,
Don't
don't
record
get
me.
violent,
Don't
bro.
record me. Don't record
Don't
me.
you get?
Yo,
Do you
don't
work
record
for
me.
the city?
Did you ask me for permission?
We're in public, man. Relax.
Did you didn't ask
Relax,
me for no
bro.
permission.
Bro,
You gotta
relax.
take it outside.
Listen, I'm telling you.
Relax.
I'm telling you.
Relax.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
Relax. Don't
Yo,
touch me. You guys are insulting me.
I'm not assaulting you. You gotta take
You
it
guys are
outside.
insulting me.
You gotta take it outside.
You guys
gotta
are
take it
so-
outside.
This is a public building. This is a public
No, it's
building.
not. No, it's not. All right.
Yo, relax. Relax,
Listen,
man. What's the
Mama,
problem?
why you recording me?
You're at work, man.
Why you recording me?
You're at work, man.
Okay.
Chill
out.
out.
Okay. Who assaulted you? Who assaulted you?
Why you recording?
Yo, hey, watch yourself.
Give me
You
back.
gotta take it outside. You
Give me
gotta
back.
take it
No,
outside.
leave me alone.
You gotta take it outside.
So why
Are
you
you
recording
kidding me?
people?
You gotta take it outside.
Look, there's
Why
a
you
no. Hey, I'm not recording you.
Bounce up out of here.
I'm recording
Yo, let's
them.
go.
I'm
Let's
recording
go.
them, not
For
you.
confidentiality
No.
purposes,
Recording them.
let's go.
Not you, ma'am.
Who are you?
Let's
Tell
go.
me what to do.
You
Yo,
cannot
bro,
you're gonna keep recording me?
Bro, why you getting violent?
Because
Relax.
you're recording me, bro.
Bro, you're
I'm
recording.
telling you, don't record me.
Bro, don't get violent, man.
Confidential. You don't have to record me.
Bro, we're journalists, bro.
You don't have to
Relax.
record me. I don't care who you
We're
are.
journalists.
You don't, did you ask me? Did you ask me?
Bro, calm down.
Did you ask me?
Calm down, bro.
Nah, hell no.
Calm down.
I don't care who you are. You ain't recording me like that. Hell
Calm
no.
down, bro.
Nah, I'm not gonna come down. Stop recording, and then I'm gonna come down.
All right, man. Calm down.
I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. I ain't playing
There's no
with you.
reason for this, bro.
Listen, I'm not playing with you.
There's no reason for
I'm
this.
not playing with you.
Yo, relax.
Don't point that phone
Bro,
at me.
there's no reason for
Before,
this.
yo,
There's
because
no
I'm losing my patience.
Bro, there's no
I'm losing my patience.
Relax, bro.
I'm losing my patience.
Relax, bro. Relax.
Don't point it at me.
Bro, just
I'm
relax.
telling you.
A little correction there. You're not losing your patience. You already lost it or you'd never had it in the first place.
Relax, man.
I'm telling you.
Look.
Nah, you can see, bro.
Why are you getting so violent? Look, man, you don't want to be on camera. Just stay over there. Just stay over there.
All right.
I'll talk to him.
Just take it out the building. Just take it out the building.
Look, man.
For confidentiality purposes of the Department of Human Service, you cannot record here. You're gonna keep
If
recording
you
me?
just broke my property,
I don't
I'll
care.
make
I
sure.
told you already. Don't record me. Come on. He stopped recording me, and you still
You
recording
don't
me.
see him losing his
Look, man, don't do that.
Just take it
him
out.
away.
No, take it
You're
outside.
security.
Take it outside. I am security.
security.
Take it outside. You cannot
You
record
just
these people in
assaulted
this
us.
building.
You just assaulted us.
You can't record nobody in this building.
Oh my
For
God.
confidentiality purposes, you cannot.
Felony card?
He's just assaulting us.
He didn't touch you.
You'll see
He
it on
didn't
video.
touch you.
You'll see it on
When did he
video.
touch you?
I'm
in public. When did he
Somebody
touch you?
touched me.
You're supposed to ask me for permission.
No, I do not. You have no
Okay.
right to private.
You're not a
property.
journalist. You're not a journalist. Show me somebody.
Bro,
says you're a
bro,
journalist.
we're journalists. We
Show
got
me.
a channel,
Show
man.
me.
We got a
Show me.
fucking, we got a channel.
I don't care who you are. Don't record me. That's what I'm telling you.
We're journalists.
Yo, I want.
We have freedom of press. Are you kidding me?
Here, right.
Did I touch you?
right here.
Did I touch you?
Nobody
Did I touch you?
You touched me.
Did I touch
I
you?
did not touch you. And
I have you on video.
Yeah, I did not hurt you. I was leading you out of the
No, you don't have to leave me. Are you a police officer?
I'm not.
So you don't touch nobody.
That's fine. But we're done right now. We're done right now.
Well aware of it.
We're here and we need to
We're
be
talking to
here.
her. She's a supervisor.
She's a
You cannot.
supervisor.
I don't care. He has nothing to do with
You
this.
guys are just, you're here,
You need to take it out the building.
We're calling the cops.
Go ahead. You cannot record people in the Department of Human Services for confidential purposes. You cannot.
We were not in a
You
restricted
are,
area.
yeah.
That's
Yes, it is. What's that say?
hallway.
What's that sign say? Department of Human Services.
That's a
It is
hallway.
It doesn't matter. People are going in the Department of Human Services.
We can-
I don't care.
Listen, we can
I
do
don't
this in-
care.
we can-
And don't tell me I assaulted you, because I can't. Trust me if I have to.
I've got video.
I don't care. You got a video. Did I put my hands on you?
It doesn't matter.
Yes, it does matter. It does matter.
You got
It does
up your
matter.
chest bone.
It does matter. What? I did what?
You got right up on my
So
chest.
I didn't get up on your chest. If I was in your chest, you know it. I'll be up in your shirt.
You got a
Bro,
threat?
So no,
bro,
it's a promise. It's a promise.
you're a security officer. Why you guys
Yeah,
so?
no, because you're not supposed to film people in going in the Department of Human Services.
But you have
For
to be
confidential
profe- you have to be pro-
I told you from the get-go, you cannot film here. I said as nice as you wanted me to say. I said as nice as you wanted to say.
We're not. We're journalists. We have a channel. Why don't you guys
I don't
understand?
care about your channel. What channel is it? You don't even know yourself. It took you too long to answer.
Man, I got
Stop.
millions of views.
Well, not, I don't
I
want to be
do.
on there.
Well,
I don't want to be on there. I don't want to be on
Already
there.
on there.
I don't want to be on
You
there.
understand.
You guys are crazy. Officer, we were just assaulted. We were just assaulted. What's your name and badge number?
Why don't you just tell me what's going on first, please?
Some crazy situation.
Okay, come on over here. and
We were
explain
just.
it to me. Yeah, okay, why don't you guys come over and explain it to me for a second, okay? So I can get the information from you. What's going on?
Well, we came in to film.
Hang on one second. Let me get their story. Then I'll be more than happy to chat with you
State
guys.
employees in the course of their official duty.
Yep.
And they were fine in there. Actually, they came in and told us we couldn't do that, which we already know we can. But irregardless of that, we came back out here into the waiting area or into the lobby area. Right? We're walking around. We look down this hallway, and both the security guards immediately start to attack us.
when you use the word attack.
Oh,
in our personal, way too far into our personal space, pushing us back with their chest. One security guard back over here grabbed my phone and started pushing me back with his hands.
Okay.
That's assault.
Okay.
And I want to press charges against him.
All right, we'll file a report for sure. Is this happened to both of you guys or just one of you?
That happened to me. Well, he didn't
How about
take your
you?
phone, did he?
Nobody touched me.
Nobody touched you?
No.
Okay. Because when I came in, you said you wanted to file charges for assault.
Well,
Yeah.
for him.
Okay, well, you said you, so I just want to make sure.
Well, they all got really.
Well, I mean, it's all
they
recorded,
all,
so I
they,
want to make
yeah.
sure we're getting the information.
It's all recorded.
Okay.
They all got they got very aggressive.
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll definitely need to see the video footage. Okay.
They got very aggressive.
Yeah. All right, can I get your name, sir?
My name?
Yeah, do you have your
Let
ID?
me, stop. I'm gonna stop recording because I don't want
All right, yeah.
personal
Do you have
information out there.
Sure. Yeah.
Can we go somewhere more private?
Nope, we can do it right here. Yeah.
If I have it over here, I can kind of do it over
I
here.
don't have my license, so I can give you my
Yeah, if you
first
give me your
and last
name.
Yeah, we can give you that.
that'd be
I'm
great.
okay with that.
Okay, that's cool.
All right, we're gonna need your date of birth, your phone number, and your address.
What do you need my date of birth for?
Because we have to be able
You
to.
wanna
Yeah.
file a report,
Yeah.
we
Yeah.
need
You
all
gotta
your
you gotta give
information
them all your
back.
information.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not like we're trying to do a whole thing on you, but
Still investigating the situation, so we're trying to figure out what
Yeah.
happened, and we just need you to stand by. Can you step over here, please?
Am I being detained?
Right now, you are temporarily detained until we investigate what
Victims of
happened.
crime right now. So
Okay?
Yeah.
You're not under arrest, but I
So
need you to.
so what crime do you suspect me of committing?
We don't know if a crime has been.
Well, that's not how the law works.
Okay.
You investigate first and then
That's what we're
and then you
doing.
detain.
Right.
So you can't just say I'm detained right now.
We
That's how it goes.
Okay, just stand here, please.
Listen, you don't tell me what to do. Right now, we're the victims of a crime. All right? So take it easy. Am I still being detained?
Yes, temporarily, everyone.
Under
No, they're
suspicion of what crime?
We're investigating what happened.
You have to tell me why you're detaining me, if you're detaining me.
To investigate what happened, sir.
You investigate first. You see, you guys got it all twisted up. You detain first, then you investigate. You have to investigate, have reasonable, articulable suspicion that a crime is being committed, has been committed, or is about to be committed. So, if I'm not,
You're confusing temporary detention versus custody.
that's
We're not in
you have
custody
to
yet.
you have to have
Okay.
reasonable suspicion to detain anybody. We're not going anywhere because we want to prove a point here. But I just want you to make sure that you know that I'm not being detained.
Okay.
So, am I being detained?
We can go back and forth all day.
I just
need
want
you
to know.
cooperate, sir.
I just want to know. Are we being detained?
I need you to cooperate with us, please.
We're asking you a question, officer.
I've answered that question. I'm done answering the question.
Oh,
okay?
so I'm being illegally detained right now. I'm illegally detained. Well, that's all you had to say. I gave you plenty of opportunity to think about what you're saying. So, Captain.
Yes.
I want to take pictures of that hallway.
You've got pictures already.
No, I didn't. We were confronted.
You're allowed to film as much as you want. The only thing that they ask is that you respect the confidentiality of some of the people that come into this building.
That we're not looking at files.
You're in the hallway, but for the people to have access to these services, they have
Come on,
to
Captain.
walk in through
Captain,
the area.
Captain,
Which you
there's
have the
no-
right to film. I'm just saying.
Captain, there's no expectation of privacy in public.
I understand that. But if you have a domestic violence victim and she's coming here for services, you're going to make her feel uncomfortable.
We're
It's
work-
not
How does
gonna
We're
work.
not
how
here
does
to
anybody
record-
Know
we're
how
not-
are they gonna know?
I
Okay,
don't
she's
know
a
if you guys
domestic
do you
violence.
broadcast your videos.
We do, but we're not here to film
Are you gonna blur
people.
out their faces?
We're here to
We do
film
sometimes.
public
Yeah.
employees.
Sometimes.
Did you let them know that it's okay that we can record in that hallway?
We'll let them know.
Yeah.
Well, that was the whole point. I would hope that you would educate, because that way, if they don't know and this happens again, you guys are gonna be out here for no reason again.
Also, let him know if he doesn't want to be on camera, he can go to the back real quick.
It's
Why
uncharted
would-
territory for them. They're exploring it.
But they took a job that works with the public, so they can't be like, don't film me. I mean, there's cameras all over this
Yes,
building.
but you also got to understand a little bit. There are some confidentiality things around here.
Not in public.
Yeah,
Right,
with
and I was
right.
explaining to him inside the office.
Right.
There's nothing confidential outside in the hallway.
The publicly accessible area.
yeah.
So some people might feel uncomfortable, but
Yeah. You
Tough
want me to
luck.
go around?
Oh, no, that's okay.
All right.
all right, bro. We'll let you do your job, man.
Hey,
You
all
take
right,
care,
man.
bro. It was good
take
meeting you,
care,
man.
And I'm sorry about that, man.
Yeah, no
I didn't know what
You're
was going
good.
on.
You're good, Papa. Take care.
All right.
It's pretty interesting that people in a profession that's supposed to specialize in law enforcement don't even know the laws they're there to enforce. It's almost like there's no supreme law of the land called the Constitution in the minds of these order followers. If you guys enjoyed this video, maybe you'll like some of my others. Check out our most popular playlist and our Right to Travel playlist. There's a lot of videos on my channel that you probably haven't seen, and they're all still very much in play today. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, the links are in the description. You can also become a channel member, and you can grab a hard-hitting, conversation-starting design you can put on a shirt, hoodie, mug, cell phone case, hat, whatever you want. Remember, the price of freedom is eternal vigilance. And indifference to this notion is the means by which the people will secure their own oppression. Freedom's always going to be dangerous. The only thing more dangerous is not having it. I'll see you in the next video.